Hey guys, it's Leah Kane back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to first start off with just cleansing my face, wiping my face off, getting all the residue off of my face. I'm done with that. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in the color dark brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and basically outline my brow and go ahead and fill it in, making it look thicker and fuller. I don't know if you guys can see or not. My eyebrow hair around my arch is very thin, so I'm basically going in and filling it in, making it look thicker than what it really is. My eyebrows is looking a little wonky simply because I haven't gotten them done in about 2-3 weeks. When I last got them done, the lady, she made them really thin, so I've basically been trying to grow them out a lot. And I'm going to go ahead and brush them through just to blend it out, making it look more natural. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my brow definer for my other eye and fill it in and outline it as well. Once that is done, I'm going to get a flat angle brush along with my LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan. And I'm basically going to outline around my brow. I'm basically going to outline my eyebrow just to make my eyebrow look more defined and more clean, especially with the fact that I haven't gotten them done in 2 weeks and I have a lot of excess hairs. I'm just going to go ahead and try to hide those hairs with the concealer, as well as making my brows look more defined and sharp and clean. Basically, the concealer is meant to clean your brow so you have applied the brow definer to your eye. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the concealer and the angle brush on the other eye just to basically outline it and make it look more defined, clean it up, and also cover those excess hairs that are hanging around. As you guys can see now, I kind of did not do a very good job with my arch, my under arch, but later on in the video I am going to fix it when I realize it. It's one of those things you realize later in life and you wish you would have fixed, but I did fix it later in the video, so please be patient with that. But now I'm just basically going back with my other eye and going with my overbrow. I'm also going in with the LA Girl HD concealer. However, this time I'm going in with the color that is closer to my skin tone. I will be uploading another video of my everyday routine. Basically, with that video, you guys will be able to see how I blend my eyebrows in with my foundation. Stay tuned for when I upload that video. Now I'm just cleaning in between my eyebrows because I also have hair sitting there. So I'm basically going to just clean that up and hide those hairs. Right now I'm going in with my brow definer just to clean my brow up so it won't look weird. And I'm basically giving it more of a shape. Now I'm going in with my Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara with the Sephora collection. And basically, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of brush my brows very, very lightly with this. I normally use a brow mascara. However, I recently left my brow mascara at a friend's house, so I'm not able to use it at this moment. But using another mascara is very great. However, you just have to make sure that you blend it very, very good within your brows with just the plain brush. That is now the final look. That's how I do my brows. Very quick, very easy, simple, to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and do not forget to turn on your post notifications. Please stay tuned for the next video so that you guys can see how I blend my eyebrows out with my foundation. Thank you guys. Have a great day.